สวัสดีค่ะวันนี้นะคะอยู่ตรงสวนหลังบ้านนะคะของแม่ย่าอุ้ยแดดเข้าตาวันนี้จะพาเพื่อนๆมาดูเขาเรียกว่าอะไรอะกรีนเฮาส์นะคะที่แม่ย่าเนี่ยปลูกผักค่ะคือตัวหม่อมเองเนี่ยนะคะปกติเนี่ยก็คือไม่มีความสามารถในการปลูกผักใดๆสิ่งใดเลยแล้วก็แม่ย่าก็จะเอาผักที่แบบว่าแกปลูกเนี่ยมาให้กับหม่อมเป็นประจำเลยเราจะมาดูในส่วนของ Green House ตรงนี้นะคะเพื่อนๆจะพาเดินเข้ามาดูเป็นสวนหย่อมน้อยๆน่ารักน่ารักมุ้งมิ้งบรรยากาศประเทศอังกฤษนี่มีอ่างน้ำมีดอกบัวด้วยนะจ๊ะนี่เราไม่รู้ว่ามันเป็นต้นอะไรบ้างอ่ะเดี๋ยวเราอาจจะต้องขออนุญาตถามโหอันนี้มันคืออะไรอ่ะคอเซ็ตเหรอใช่ไหมโอ้ดอกไม้สวยทุกอย่างนี่คือแปลงผักทั้งหมดทั้งมวลโอ้โหบาซิลค่ะเนี่ยเด็กๆกำลังเดินขึ้นมาอันนี้ก็เป็นลูกแพรนะคะ so I like your little pond here.
You like my water lily?
Yeah. Is that what kind of that lotus?
It's just called a water lily.
Water lily.
It'll have
I thought
a
it's
variety.
lotus. No, it's not lotus.
No, it's not a lotus. I
No,
don't think they're the same.
it
Yeah,
looks
a lotus
similar.
flower is the same as water lilies. No, different to a water. So the lotus don't they grow on long stalks,
Yeah.
and that's a water lily.
Right. So is this
That's a
corset?
courgette,
Yeah. I never see like
and they grow.
Oh yeah, it's quite a lot, isn't it? So
Oh,
which
okay.
part you chop them and
The
right,
the yellow fruit top.
that
is
one.
Here. Italians eat the flowers.
All right.
They stuff them with cheese, but I've never bothered.
Oh no.
I think they eat them because they've got them.
So you
Now,
got
these are gooseberry bushes, but all the gooseberries have come off them.
this on the side that is
Yeah,
gooseberry.
That's all gooseberries.
Yeah.
They're finished now.
Yeah. So yeah. So what is that for?
This is just for watering, so we'll get rainwater in it, and then you can get a bucket out to water them.
So what is this then?
That is a solar panel
Oh yeah.
that is making the bubbles in the pond.
Oh, I see.
Oxygenating the pond.
Okay. For the same thing
No,
with
that's a
that one.
light.
That's a light for
Yeah.
the night.
Yes, yes.
That actually isn't from the solar panel. There's a frog in the pond with a very windy bottom.
Yeah. Yeah. These are French beans.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So they have little flowers like that.
Yes.
And then we've got so many.
All
of
right.
these.
Like
Yeah, French.
this kind
Thin
of
green
bean.
beans, yes.
Yeah.
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 Got so many of them. I threw a load away. the other day.
Oh, I want it. I make like a spicy salad with
Yeah, I've
it.
got loads. I'll freeze you. I've got bags of them.
Oh,
frozen.
lovely. Yeah.
You want to go down? You want to go down, do you? And then
So what is this?
this
Any
is a dahlia.
Yeah.
It's called a dahlia flower.
just the flower?
Just a pretty flower.
Yeah, for the garden.
This is bay. You put the leaves for flavour food.
Yeah,
Bay
yeah.
tree. And these were strawberries, but the strawberries are finished. We've had all the strawberries off them,
Yes.
and a few outdoor tomatoes.
Yeah.
And
Nice.
that's
Nice color.
not-
That one.
it's a bit early yet for the tomatoes to be really going.
Yeah. And
This
your
is sweet
corn.
corn.
Yeah. Sweet corn. Is that the one that you?
Yes, and This is the
Cook-
coloured one. This is the one
The
we
co-
had the other. This is not quite ripe yet. I think
อัน
it
นี้
needs
เป็
to
น
be
แบบ
fatter.
สีม่วงๆอ่ะ คือ
Yeah.
แบบเมื่อสัปดาห์ที่ผ่านมาแม่ย่าทำกับข้าวแล้วก็
Yeah, so
เอา
that'll
มา
be
ให้
all
กินเหมือนกับ
multicoloured.
ข้าวสาลีอะไร what is that in
This
in
is-
that net
This is the back going to be broccoli, but that will take all year to grow.
yeah
They get covered in caterpillars and butterflies, and then these will be Brussels sprouts for Christmas. These ones at the front.
yeah
This is also broccoli, but this is a variety.
oh wow
This is a
that is
variety.
very big broccoli
It will.
so it's gonna have a flower then
Yeah, there's a beginning of a broccoli.
I see I thought it's just a small one grow from the ground
And
it's okay she can
is
be
kale.
round oh yeah I
Kale.
love this
I'm gonna take the leaves off it. But they all get a bit caterpillary, so you have to take the caterpillars, butterflies like laying like there's a caterpillar. Oops,
oh yeah
and I take them off. But that's what that net is to stop them being able to
I
lay
see
their eggs on it. But this has got too big for it now. But
So-
there's some eggs,
oh
butterfly eggs.
yeah
So what you do is, some little yellow butterfly eggs like that. But what I do with them is squish them. Because you don't want the caterpillars, because the caterpillars
No.
could eat the whole lot.
Oh, yeah.
In a
so that is that all gone now
they won't hatch now.
yeah
They're squashed.
and then you
Come on.
got some
But they could eat the lot in a day, and they
yeah
get big. These were carrots, but
oh carrot
we've had most of the carrots.
nice
A white carrot. Some of them are white and some of them are orange. There's an orange
oh
one.
yes
Yeah, carrots.
and sunflower
Sunflowers, yes.
lovely
Nearly finished. Yeah. Yeah, they've been very good this year, the sunflowers. So these are the sunflowers. Look how tall my sunflowers got, Millie. Have you seen how tall my sunflowers got this year? Yep.
and you got
Very
some
good.
salad it's just the
Oh,
salad
this is some
lettuce
lettuce. That they've both.
that's quite
they've
pretty
bolted.
look at that
Yeah,
like a
they're
flower
supposed to be short. They're going to go flower.
ah.
So they need eating and pulling out quick. Yeah.
So how long you can eat that? Or is that
Another-
ready?
It's not quite ready. I don't think it's fat enough yet.
Yeah.
I think because it's been so dry, they
Yeah.
haven't filled out. But with this bit of rain, we might get them. Because I think the one we had on Saturday wasn't quite as plump as it should have been.
No, it still need a bit.
more. So
yeah.
I'm going to leave them for a bit longer.
Yeah.
I might water them and things.
Yeah.
So,
That
so
let's go to the.
This is more sweet corn.
Oh, yeah?
This is a yellow variety.
Yeah.
Not as big, but I'll put it in later. There's a bigger courgette, look.
Oh yes.
That's ready to eat.
Mm.
If you turn your back on them for a day or two, they're enormous. I took some off the other day. They're enormous.
So what is this? Your
This is
bin?
a compost bin, but yeah,
Oh wow.
they're too big to eat. They're a bit too
Very
much.
big.
Yeah, they were left in for a week.
And what is this round here?
Raspberries.
All right.
Yeah, there's-
And
so
down
this
here.
these are going to be flowers for next year.
Okay. Just the
Don't
flower.
stop all of the step. Yeah, we call wallflowers, but you plant them. They're for next spring. But yeah, there's a raspberry or two.
Oh nice. Oh, let me try one.
Yeah, let's find the ripest. There's a right one. Have a
Thank
have a
you.
raspberry. Do you want a raspberry, Millie?
Mmm. Nice. Mmm. Sweet.
Yep.
Lovely.
Once I get back here,
This
It's
is
okay.
blackcurrant,
It's okay. Oh yes.
but I've had all the blackcurrants off it. But yeah, that makes ribena. You know the ribena
Oh
blackcurrant.
yeah.
Little blackberries that are very sour. So you have to
And
put some-
this more
These are more
tomato.
tomatoes. Yeah, look
Yeah.
at those. We've got lots in there.
Yes, pretty.
Yeah, so this is outdoor tomatoes. These are more beans, but these are you have to shred these ones. These are called runner beans. They're a bit
Yes.
coarser. You shred them rather than eat them whole.
Wow, wow, wow. I like the flower. You can just put it in the vase and it's
yeah, beautiful flowers. It was
nice,
grown at
isn't
one
it?
time for the flowers. And
that
well,
beautiful.
those are just pretty flowers.
Yeah,
we're looking
another.
at.
Yeah.
They're called misenthyambriums.
Sorry?
They're called misenthyambriums. Not a catchy name, is it?
What does that mean?
That's the name of these flowers.
Miss.
Misenthyambriums.
Does that mean anything?
No, it's a Latin name for the type of flower.
Ah, I see.
Yep.
And this all basil,
This is-
and it's got some Thai
this is
basil
Thai
then.
basil.
Yeah.
I'll save you it when you get back.
Lovely.
And this
Wow.
is sweet basil.
Yeah. This usually from supermarket you can get that. You
Yes.
not really can get the Thai
Yeah,
basil.
and this is oregano.
Oregano. Oh, right.
Yeah, you can smell it. Smells herby.
Have you just been putting your fingers
basil.
in some nettles?
Smell nice, isn't it? All this
smells nice.
basil.
Let's
Yeah.
not dip our hand in that red
That's just, well, it's just
mess.
water.
I just miss Thai basil when I go to Thailand.
You just
Oh, that smell nice. That real basil.
Thai basil, yes.
Yeah, to make pat
Basil.
grapao.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, it's got a lovely aniseed flavour smell, isn't it?
Mm.
Oh,
Now
lettuce,
you can
better
put it
size lettuce,
brown.
they haven't bolted yet.
Mm.
When they rush to, when it gets very dry,
Mm.
they rush to, they grow tall, and they
Yeah.
shouldn't. They
Yeah.
grow tall because they're trying to flower because it's very dry.
Yeah.
It means you have to eat them quick or throw them out. This is beetroot. You like beetroot?
Oh yes, I like this fruit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Life's coming.
I shall
But
well,
what they'll
pick
think
that
of it
later. More carrots.
Oh yes. Yeah, yeah.
This is to stop the rabbits eating them.
Oh,
And
good.
that's
Just
spinach.
All right.
It's joking.
This is rainwater.
I know. But there's
No,
this as
yeah.
well on the top. Like these.
And
Now
then-
she's putting it on her face, but she
More
drinks
tomatoes.
Yeah.
Not quite ripe yet. More tomatoes. These
Yeah.
are going to be stripy ones.
Yeah. Oh
Called
yeah.
Tigerella.
Nice.
These are going to be, what are they going to be? They're going to be dark red, dark purpley red when they're ripe, those ones.
Mhm.
They're a different variety.
Mm.
And these ones are going to be like little yellow plums,
Mhm.
but they're not ripe yet. The beginning, one or two of them.
Oh,
the
nice.
beginning.
Yeah. That's nice
Another week or
color.
two.
Yeah.
Yeah, lots of tomatoes, radishes. And cucumbers.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't keep up with them at the moment.
Oh,
Oops.
and then you need to control the temperature here.
I
You're just
need to
checking.
monitor it, yes.
Yeah.
And it can get very hot in here. So it has been 40 degrees, and then I put white material on the outside to cool it down.
Yeah.
These are going to be aubergines. There's
Right.
purple flowers in there.
Oh.
Aubergines
Yes.
and peppers.
Oh, lovely.
Those
Look
are,
at
those are
that.
sweet peppers. And this is a chili pepper. This one's destined for your house when it's fit, when it's right, when you get back from Thailand,
Mm.
because they're a bit spicy for us.
All right.
And more peppers,
Mm.
sweet peppers. Yeah.
Lovely.
And more dahlias.
Right.
Yeah.
That big bee.
Big bee, bumblebee. Bumblebee.
อันนี้ก็เป็นสวนนะคะการ์เด้นคนอังกฤษเขาจะแบบว่าชอบทำสวนแบบนี้ละค่ะเพื่อนๆเขาก็จะแบบชอบปลูกผักเอง
They're going to be wet.
เหมือนกับว่าเขา enjoy ที่จะทำแบบว่ากิจกรรมแบบนี้นะคะ เหมือนเป็นงานอดิเรกค่ะวันนี้ก็พาทัวร์สวนหลังบ้านนะคะจริงๆแล้วแบบยังมีแบบว่าในสวนอื่นๆอีกนะคะ ที่แบบว่าเป็นสวนดอกไม้ในสวนแต่ว่าวันนี้เรามาโฟกัสในส่วนของ green house เป็นส่วนของการปลูกผักอะไรอย่างนี้นะคะชื่นชอบคอนเทนต์แบบนี้นะคะผมก็ฝากเพื่อนๆกดไลค์กดแชร์แล้วก็ subscribe ติดตามครอบครัวตัวเอ็มของเราไว้ด้วยนะคะวันนี้พาออกมานอกบ้านเนาะปกติเราจะแบบว่านั่งเมาส์มอยคุยแต่ในบ้านนะคะวันนี้ไปก่อนแล้วค่ะบ๊ายบายสวัสดีค่ะ